Today we're going to go over the Flash Air 2 tent. Stick around, let's get to it. Alright, so here we have the Flash Air 2. It's an REI product. I think it was $250, but it's pretty lightweight, around 2 pounds. Here are the optional poles for it. If you don't want to use your trekking poles, it does come with basic stakes. And I use a compression sack to kind of crimp this down to a nice little ball. We'll show that in a minute. But let's go look at some videos of me using it the last couple of trips, and I'll kind of give you my opinion when we come back. Okay, so I set up the tent before I left for Virginia in my backyard. I used my trekking poles. I did not take the included poles with it to save weight. I did make my own Tyvek ground sheet. It is a single wall tent, so there's going to be a little condensation, but it did rain quite a bit and it didn't get that wet inside. Like I said before, it's 2 pounds, so pretty light. It fit me in my gear. I didn't have to leave my gear outside. You know, it is a non-freestanding tent, so you got to make sure you're in the right locations. Here I am set up at Loft Mountain Campground, a little slow-mo, and in this next video I took a small trip to the Olympic Mountains. Okay, we're all set up. It's a little sandy, so the stakes don't go in very well today, but got some heavy rocks on them. I'm using the footprint that you can get for the Flash Air 2, the Flash Air 2 footprint. It's a little bit smaller than the bathtub part, but it seems to be working fine, and it only weighs 5 ounces. But the Tyvek one I used was like 1.5 pounds at the AT, so I'm all set, and camp is set up. Okay, so I did enjoy using Flash Air 2. It served its purpose. It is lightweight and it can be compressed down to a small size. You can use the included poles, or you can use your trekking poles. So, thanks for visiting. If you'd like to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And I don't know when I'll be putting out the next video, but I do have a couple more from the AT and a trip I took here a couple of weeks ago in Washington. So I hope everyone has a great New Year's, and let's hope 2021 is a better year. See you next year.